Struggling to keep your plants alive or looking for a cute desk companion? Meet the PLANTSIO Smart Pet Planter Robot in purple. It uses emojis to guide plant care and even interacts with you. Is it worth $80 in 2025? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and we review smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today we're unboxing the PLANTSIO Smart Pet Planter Robot in purple, a perfect fit for plant lovers in the USA, EU, and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. The PLANTSIO Smart Pet Planter Robot, also called Ivy, is a high-tech planter for small plants like succulents or cacti. Priced at around $80, it features a purple design, emoji-guided plant care, and gesture interactions to make plant care fun. It has sensors for soil moisture, light, and temperature, plus an automated watering system. Compact and sleek, it's perfect for a neat desk setup and doubles as a quirky gift. Let's talk features. Ivy uses emojis to show what your plant needs: water, light, or a better temperature. Its sensors monitor soil moisture, light exposure, and more, and the automated watering system ensures your plant gets the right amount of water. The gesture interactions are super fun. Tap its leaves, and it reacts with cute expressions. It even doubles as a smart home remote to control lighting with a touch. Plus, the app lets you customize settings for over 40 plant types. Let's dig deeper. I tested Ivy with a small succulent in my Florida home office, and setup was a breeze. Just connect it to the app and plant your succulent. The emoji guidance is spot on. It alerted me when my plant needed more light, and the automated watering kept the soil perfectly moist. However, the planter space is small, so it's best for tiny plants like succulents or cacti. Some users note plants outgrow it quickly. Battery life is a drawback. It lasts about 5 hours, not the claimed 36, so you'll need to charge it daily. Users in the USA love its cute design, but some in the EU mention the light sensor can be finicky if placed against a wall. Still, it's a fun way to care for plants. Here's the good and the not so good. Pros: it's adorable and interactive, with accurate plant care guidance via emojis. Perfect for beginners. The purple design looks sleek on any desk. Cons: the planter is small, so it's only for tiny plants. Battery life is short, needing daily charging, and the light sensor can be inconsistent. Overall, a fun gadget for plant lovers. Who should buy this planter? It's perfect for plant lovers in the USA, EU, or Canada who want a fun, interactive way to care for small plants like succulents. Great for desks or small spaces. If you struggle to keep plants alive or love quirky gadgets, this is for you. It's not ideal for larger plants or if you can't charge it daily. Ready to bring some green to your desk? Get the PLANTSIO Smart Pet Planter Robot in purple on Amazon for around $80. Link in the description. What's your favorite desk plant? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.